Hello and welcome to RC and thanks for stopping by. In this video I do a little giveaway for you, my value viewers, and I like to thank everyone for reaching the 500. As soon as we're getting to the 1000 there'll be a big surprise for you. But now let's get into my giveaway. But first, legal stuff. I don't like this. I've written down my notices, so excuse me if I don't watch every time into the camera and have to read the things I had written down here. Written. First, YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. I am responsible. There's no sponsor. I bought the giveaway by myself and give it to you. As long YouTube is an American company, you cannot participate into it if you live on Cuba. Same for the countries where these kind of games or giveaways are forbidden. It's not allowed that you can participate in this. National regulations. Okay. The English viewers might fetch a coffee. Dies ist kein Glücksspiel im Sinne von Paragraph 3 Absatz 1 des Glücksspielstaatsvertrages. Die Teilnahme ist kostenlos. Es ist vielmehr eine Verlosung. Teilnahmebedingung ist ab 18. Meine Familienmitglieder dürfen nicht an diesem Gewinnspiel oder an dieser Verlosung daran teilnehmen. Gleiches gilt für Personen, die in deren Haushalten leben. Da die Regeln für ein internationales Publikum gemacht sind, sind sie auf Englisch. Also wer nicht Englisch spricht oder nicht mit dem Übersetzer klarkommt, sorry. Der Rechtsweg ist wie immer ausgeschlossen. Now let's come to the rules. My giveaway event is from the release of this video until June the 30th at 6 p.m. or 18 o'clock Central European Summer Time. But I recommend you please don't do it on the last minute. To win the giveaway, you have to be a subscriber of my channel, you have to like this video, and you have to write down 500 birds into the comment section. Only one of your comment will count it. So please do just one and you're fine. There are 2 giveaways and 2 winners, and to prevent that any scammers might take the win, I've thought about the following procedure. I trigger 2 winners and announce the channel names. After this, these 2 channels have to go on my channel description and email me that they have won it. I give them a code word and they have to go back to their comment and put this special code word into their comment. Not in addition, editing. This should prevent that no one else would get the win. After the code word is confirmed, I send out the giveaways. You find the rules and all this other stuff I said before in the description of this video. And now let's get to the win. As you know, I do an extra 500 views project. I produced number plates. These are special number plates. They are apart from my regular number plates. There are 2 sets to win. Selfie cam isn't too sharp. So what is different? For normal, I use RC birds, complete personal. I use blue TÜV badge, and these number plates or license plates are complete scale. They are no personal, they are really scale. MS, that's Münster, our city. You have the regional badge, which is North Rhine-Westphalia. You have the TÜV, the technical overview badge, which you get every 2 years if your car is alright. You've got the 2 letters, RB for RC Birds and 500 for the 500 viewers. In this design, they are complete scale. They can be on an original car. They have a scale of 1:14. On some models I have 1:10 number plates, but most of the models, it's better to use 1:14 scale number plates, especially the American number plates are more smaller, are very smaller than the regular European or German number plates. So if you like to win this set, I have to say, they glue by themselves. They are a little bit reflective, which is very cool. And if you want to buy this, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write down 500 birds. And the rest, or the rules I stated before, you find in the description of this channel. And now, good luck to the 2 winners. For normal, I would say I thank you for watching. If you got some questions, blah blah blah. But now it's clear. If you want to win it, write 500 birds in the comments. And see you soon on RC Birds.